2018 catalog. So this looks similar to the 2017 holiday catalog. We're going to be reviewing that soon, but it has the same pages as the 2017 holiday catalog. You'll see here there's the postage stamp collection. And here's another page with postage stamp collection. And we'll see the Skymark Supreme models. So we have a United 737-800 Frontier Airlines. There's a 77 Dreamliner, another 737 A320, and a 737 MAX 8. Up here, we have the A380, the A321, the A350, the MD-80, the A350-900, and the 737-900. Now we have the Skymarks models. And there's more on that page. We have Gemini 200 next. And here's the Gemini Jets model. And from here we have Gemini Jets. And we have Hogan. Now we get the executive series from J-Ron. And up here we get more executive series. And another page executive series from J-Ron. And this is the order form. Now we have purple on this page. We'll see here that on this page we see the toys. The Southwest, Alaska, Spirit, JetBlue, Delta, United, American Airlines, Hawaiian, Air Force One, Air Canada, Western, and Legion. That's the toy section from Airplane Shop. Oh wait, here's more. Here's the apparel collection. Here's the skeleton. What I'm going to be doing is covering my address here, so you don't see it. There we go. There. Here are the posters are on the back of the calendar. These are wall art posters. So be sure to check our Scoop Hack, Cafe Press blog. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Stop.